Hi everyone, so today we will learn how you can truncate a text in HTML and CSS. By the end of the video, you'll have this sort of output. You can see I got a string here and it is currently truncated. So whenever you truncate a lengthy string, you generally see 3 dots at the end. And this is exactly what we are going to achieve in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get a index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need one div element. Give it a class container. Then we need a paragraph element. You can give it a class trunk. And let's have some dummy text here. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select the container class. Give it a width of 550 pixels. Margin will be 0 and auto, just to center line it. Font size will be around 25 pixels and color will be white. Now save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Now our job here is to truncate this string. So let's go to the code editor. In the CSS file, we'll select the trunk class. The first property that we'll use will be text-overflow. We'll make it ellipsis. Then overflow, we'll make it hidden. Then we'll use white space and we'll make it no wrap. So that's all what you need to truncate a text in HTML and CSS. Now just save it, go to the browser, and that's the output. So I hope you understood how to truncate a text in HTML and CSS. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.